Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is Chef Maha from Maha's Lebanese Cuisine. Today we are going to make fatteh with yogurt, and you can have it just vegetarian or you can have it with chicken or with beef. So we are going to make the three versions today. So let's get started. We need yogurt, we need garlic, chicken, beef, toasted bread, and pine nuts with butter. And for sure you are going to need the garbanzo beans. I already soaked overnight and I boiled them, so they are ready to be served. So first I'm gonna start with the yogurt sauce. So I'm gonna put garlic. So I'm gonna put 3. And now I'm gonna add the salt. I will start with half a teaspoon and then we will see. And I'm gonna put yogurt. So it's very easy dish, fast dish. We make it for breakfast, for brunch. Okay, here the yogurt, I'm gonna add a little bit from the same water that I boiled the garbanzo beans. Not too much, I don't want it too loose, but I want it to be like little warmer when you put it to the plate, so it won't be too cold. So our sauce is ready now, and the bread, I already fried the bread. You can toast it or you can fry it. Frying it tastes better, but if you want to just bake it on the oven, the pita bread, it's up to you too. So now I'm gonna cook the meat. I'm gonna put 2 tablespoons butter. Let it melt a little bit. Not too much, I don't want the butter to get burned. Make sure to cook them well and get all the water out. And now I'm gonna add the salt and the pepper. I put half a pound of meat. I put 1/4 teaspoon salt, 1/4 teaspoon black pepper, because already we have salt in the yogurt sauce. If you use the canned hummus, it's salty. So make sure to be careful with the salt. Try every single item that you have, it needs salt. So these are done. I'm gonna put them aside, and now I'm gonna make the chicken. 2 tablespoons butter. I have 1 pound chicken breast. I'm gonna saute it good. When they are like maybe halfway done, I'm gonna add the salt and the pepper. Same thing, I'm gonna put just a little bit salt and just a little bit black pepper. Now we are moving to the last stage, which is the pine nuts or almond. Today I don't have pine nuts, I'm gonna do the almond with butter. So it's for the garnish, for the top. It needs a good amount of butter because you are going to garnish every plate. And with this, I'm gonna put just a little bit vegetable oil so the butter doesn't get burned. I'm gonna lower the fire and put the almonds. I'm gonna add a little bit more butter because there is a lot of almond. With the pine nuts, if you are using the pine nuts, make sure, because the pine nuts get cooked so fast. So you have to be very careful. So just keep moving them until they are like very nice gold color. So every time we make a video, we have a feast after. I wish you are here so you can try it with us. That's why I put the vegetable oil with it, so the butter won't get brown, you know, because when you cook the butter for a long time, it will turn to a brown color. So with the vegetable oil, it will stay white and clean. Okay, I'm gonna turn it now. Turn the fire off because the pan, it's gonna stay hot, so it will be cooking. So this is the best part. You have to make sure that they are done perfectly. Check. This dish, you have to eat it right away, otherwise it will get too cold. Some people, they put it in a big tray. I find out that it's better to make each plate by itself, and whenever you are ready, just make the plate. This is the best part with the butter. Plate number 1. So this is our dish for today, Fatteh, 3 kinds, vegetarian with beef and chicken. Hope you like it. Let me know if you try to make it in the comments. Thank you for watching me, and I will see you next week. Bye.